Hi, this is Paul Stachnik from Butterscotch.com and welcome to How to Why. This is our ongoing series on the Nintendo Wii, and in this episode we're going to tell you how to set up your Wii software. So you just bought your Wii, you just turned it on, what's going to happen? Well, we're going to take you through it step by step. So the first thing you're going to want to do, obviously, is turn on your Wii. So press the power button, and you're going to be prompted with this menu. It's a welcome menu. It essentially tells you to press A to continue, so that's what we're going to do here. And now you're going to be taken through the first step of the setup, which is selecting your language. In this case, English is set up by default, but you can also see you have Francais and Espanol. Because we speak English, we're just going to press confirm. Next up, sensory bar position. Generally, some people have them above their TV. You can also choose below. In this case, ours will be above. So I select it, press confirm. Next, we'll be prompted to select the date. So just select what the current date is, and again, confirm with the A button. Then you'll be prompted for the time. It's the same process. Select your time, and then hit confirm. Next up is the widescreen settings. If your TV is 4:3, you're going to want to select this option. However, if you have a widescreen television or a 16:9 one, select that. That way you're going to have the proper aspect ratio when you're playing your games. When you press confirm, you're basically going to get a warning just reminding you of the same thing I said. Just be sure that if your television is widescreen, you set to widescreen mode. Next up is the console nickname. This is pretty straightforward. You just want to assign it a name of some sort. In this case, we're going to name it Butterscotch after our studio. There is a limit for characters, so you'll see it's a little awkward here, but it doesn't really matter. This is just primarily for your benefit. Once you're done, hit confirm. Now you're going to be asked to choose your country of residence. In this case, we're in Canada, so we're going to select that. And once you're done, click the country and select OK. Next up is the parental controls. Now, we find that this may be important for parents, so we're actually going to go through this step. Parental controls basically allow you to control various aspects of your Wii. So whether your kids can go online or whether they can use certain functions. In this case, we have to start off by making a PIN number so that the adult can only log in to certain features. Choosing a PIN is simple. You select the white space, enter your PIN number. For the purpose of this, we'll use 1, 2, 3, 4 because it's just really simple to remember. Once you're done, you hit OK. You hit OK again, and now you'll be asked to confirm this number. So again, hit the white space. You'll be prompted to type in the password you just typed in. Hit OK. Once again, hit OK in this menu, and there you go. Now you'll be asked to create a security question. In this case, we're going to select our favorite sports team. Again, you're going to want to pick something that your kids can't sort of figure out, so maybe be a little more clever with this than I was. When you're done, select the OK button. It's going to basically give you two options, game settings and other settings. In this case, other settings basically give you control over functionality of the Wii. For instance, Wii Connect 24, which means if they can get mail or not, and whether they can use the Wii points, which is directly associated with your credit card, meaning they can't or buy games. In this case, we're going to restrict them from doing that. We don't want them using our credit card. Here is the limit of the message boards, meaning that the children can't use the mail program, so we're going to restrict that. And this is the use of the internet channel. I don't have a problem with my kids using the internet, so I'm going to actually leave this not restricted. Same goes for the news channel. So we just hit confirm. And now we have the PIN set up, and we also have our other settings set up, so we're done. Settings complete. And now when you hit A, you're going to be taken to your fresh dashboard, complete with parental settings. If you go to the Wii menu and you click Wii Settings, you're going to get your Wii Settings screen. And what we want to do here is show you basically how to change the position of your sensor bar. So if you flip over to the page, you'll see sensor bar position here. There's also an option for sensitivity. In this case, if you hit the option for sensor bar position, you'll be given, again, the same option we saw before, above or below. In this case, we're going to select below as an example. If you hit confirm, it'll now adjust the position of the cursor. If you hit sensitivity, this is basically a calibration program which will allow your Wiimote to accurately get a sense of the two IR lights that are inside the Wii bar. So how this works is you're going to want to press the plus or minus buttons in the following sort of calibration menu, and then hit A when you essentially see two lights through your Wiimote. So as you can see, it's going to give you that same warning. And now you can see these two lights we have here. That basically means the Wiimote's actually working very well. However, if I press plus here, as you can see, I'm setting up the calibration to 4. You're going to see that, and not 5, you're going to see there's a third light. So that means there's another kind of light source in the room that's going to be conflicting with the Wiimote. See, now we actually have 4 here. So again, I'm going to press minus on the Wiimote. I'm going to turn it down. And there, we have 2 lights. That's accurate. That's exactly what we want. That's the sensor bar right there. So we hit OK. And we've confirmed our sensitivity. That means the Wiimote's going to work accurately, and we're good to go. So there you go, setting up your Wii for the very first time. In the next episode, we're going to show you how to connect a new Wiimote, or if you have a friend come over, how to sync their Wiimote to your Wii. It's always a good thing to know. So for anything we talked about in this episode, check out the show notes at butterscotch.com, and we'll see you again soon.